lot of cross-referral. Even HIV, TB, HIV patients are actually asked to do a sputum test just to screen whether they have tuberculosis. And likewise, tuberculosis patients will be screened for HIV. So we'll proceed to the next slide and swallow the medicine before the presence of these two health visitors. Margaret. So this center is being run by Mrs. Margaret and Mrs. Manormani. So both of them are in charge of seeing that all these patients come here to take their treatment according to the concept of DOTS. That is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Patients have to come here and they will have the RFID cards here. Patient will be having an identity card. He has to show the card, take the treatment, swallow the medicine before their presence and then go for their daily work. So you cannot have a look. There are two categories of medicines. I am sure yesterday you must have heard about this. There is one category 1 treatment which is actually given for smear positive TB patients. That is, no, this is a 6 months course and this is an 8 months course. This is the basic treatment that we need to give. These are given for newly detected TB cases and these are for retreatment cases. Patients who might have already had a course of TB treatment. Newly detected cases are always given category 1.
Then newly detected person will take 6 months, then after 8 months.
No, he will be cured using this treatment. Now, sometimes what will happen is there can be a relapse in treatment. Patient might have just taken for 2 months and he might have defaulted the treatment. Sometimes patients can again get a re-infection again even though they complete the entire course of treatment. So in those cases, patient will have to take this category 2 treatment. So it's for retreatment cases. And this is for new cases. So if I open the box, you can see there are 2 pouches. This is one pouch is called intensive phase of treatment. And these are the intensive phase of drugs. And there are 24 such strips.
Per day, how many?
It's all at one time. So one time dose. Patient comes here,
1 day.
swallows before the health visitor and goes. One strip for 1 day. And when they come here in the morning, they have to take all these 7 tablets and go for their work.
Is there any side effects?
So all side effects are minimal and can be managed by the doctor. The basic side effects, like people, if you take any kind of drug, you are going to get some kind of repercussions. And they are mild repercussions, basically giddiness, some vomiting, some burning sensation in the stomach, for all which the health visitors will be referring them back to the medical officer and she will give them other medicines according to their side effects. But for side effects, we cannot stop TB treatment. The patient has to complete the TB treatment to become cured. And this is another pouch in which we have continuation phase of drugs. And there are about 18 strips in this. This comes for about 4 months. So in the continuation phase, the patient just needs to come once a week to the center. He will come, he will swallow the first day's dose and then the strip will be given in his hand to take for the entire week and he will be asked to come the next week. While in the intensive phase, patient has to come thrice a week, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Continuation phase, he needs to come only once a week. So this is the continuation phase. The 3 drugs he will take on a Monday and the strip will be given in the patient's hand to consume on all other days. Yeah, this is for Monday, this is 1 tablet for Tuesday, this is for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So it is a strip where the patient takes medicines all days and it is much reduced. So you can see the dosages are reduced because patient will become little better by that time after 2 months of intensive treatment. So these medicines are given once a week and the strip is given in the patient's hand. The following week the patient must bring this empty strip and then only get the next strip from the head.
So this will start after 2 months?
Yes. After 2 months the sputum is repeated and once the doctor finds that there is improvement in the patient's clinical condition, she will send the patient to be started on the continuation phase.
How many patients come here
No patients are here.
every day?
182 patients.
Per day?
Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
182.
For 3 days
in a week?
Yes. Weekly thrice. Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Category 1.
Yeah, it's the total number of patients.
For a week.
Yeah, not for a week, for a period of 6 months. Like each patient has to take the treatment for 6 months.
Is 184.
Yeah,